In front of me is OnePlus Pad Go, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access apps. Then click on App Cloner and tap on any app that you wish to clone. Finally, use gray switcher next to Create App Clone and wait. Then manage those two options. You can rename your cloned app however you want to. In my case, WhatsApp 2, and tap on Save. You can also click on when using quick functions and apply one of those options by tapping on the chosen one. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!